Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Have your DB credentials and the right driver installed so Tableau can talk to the server. Once done, open Tableau Desktop and select Connect to a server the specific database connector. Enter host, port, database, and user info. You need exact values because the connector validates them immediately. Make sure network access and firewall rules allow the connection. If your company uses VPN, enable it now so Tableau can reach the database host. Now focus on authentication and selecting data. Choose the proper auth method, native username/password, Windows Integrated, or OAuth, because credentials determine access and row-level permissions. Click Test Connection to confirm access. Resolve any errors before proceeding. Then pick schemas and tables or enter a custom SQL query if you need filtered, pre-joined data. Decide between live and extract. Use extract to improve speed and reduce load, or live to keep data current. Finish by validating fields and optimizing performance. Correct data types, hide unused fields, and consider adding indexes or refining SQL to reduce row scans. Once satisfied, publish the data source or workbook to Tableau server or online, embedding credentials or using a service account for scheduled refreshes. If you choose extracts, schedule regular refreshes. If something breaks, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Verify the database driver version and network access first. Many failures stem from incompatible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.